This is part 2 of how your diet affects biodiversity. So in part 1 you went and filled out this chart and you answered this here. So now we're on to part 2, which is find an alternative source of protein. Fill in the chart below. So in part 1, hopefully you saw that one of your protein sources, whatever your protein source was, you might be able to change it out for an alternative protein source. So what you can do is you'd put the protein source that you were eating most. It might be, say, chicken. That would go here. And then you're going to find an alternative. And you can do that by going to that food chart. So you can go to Haiku and click on the link for Diet's Carbon Footprint Calculator. And again, you might have had chicken as your choice. You might be eating that 3 to 5 times a week. So it gives you the carbon footprint and gives you some alternatives. So instead of eating chicken, another way I could get protein would be eggs or tofu or beans or peas or nuts. So I might choose one of those, and then I would go back to my, and I might put in nuts, and I would do 3 to 5 times a week, and I would see how my carbon footprint has changed from that. All right. Then I would record that information into my chart. So I'd have my chicken, and then I might have my nuts, and I would write how it changed. And then what compromises could you make or make to reduce your carbon footprint, but possibly eat things that you like. So again, there are going to be compromises you're going to have to make, and hopefully you're compromising for something you would like. You wouldn't want to be eating something you don't like, but that's the idea behind this, is just exploring that possibility and how you could change your diet. In the next video I will be making, we will look at how to draw a model for how your diet affects biodiversity. If you have any other questions, please talk to your science teacher.